Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, Business Mentality. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining what dropshipping is if you're a beginner looking to get started. So before I get started, let me just first start off by explaining what dropshipping is. So dropshipping is where you're posting an item for sale online, and whenever somebody buys that product off of you from the listing that you posted, then you go to that website where you know you can get that item for at a cheaper price. And instead of having that item shipped directly to you, you're going to have it shipped directly to the customer. So you don't have to worry about shipping anything out. You don't have to worry about any inventory that's going to be sitting in your garage or your closet. So let's say, for example, that we're going to be selling this ring that we found off of AliExpress. So instead of buying a bunch of these rings and having to worry about all the inventory taking up space, we're going to create our own dropshipping website. Now, the best platform that there is to create a dropshipping website is a website called Shopify. This is what a lot of people use to create websites when they want to dropship. I mean, it's very user friendly. If you're wondering how the pricing works, you can just come to Shopify right here and just click on where it says pricing, and then it'll explain how the pricing plans work. It's pretty straightforward. So what we have to do in order to create a dropshipping website is go to Shopify, sign up. You can even start a free trial, and then you're gonna create your store. And when you create your store, you're gonna want to make it look presentable and add the product, which for in this example of this video, we're gonna be using that ring we found off of AliExpress. You're gonna add that to your website. So now that we created our dropshipping website, we added our product to it. Now we have to get traffic to our website. So we created the product, but we have to let people know that we're selling that product. Now there's a few different ways that we can get people to our store. And one way that I just want to talk about is paying for advertisements on places like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, Twitter. And you're just going to be paying for these advertisements to promote your product, which is going to link to your website. So basically how it is going to work is that you set up your store using Shopify, you run paid traffic to your store, people see your product, and then they buy it. Then once somebody purchases that product off of your website, you then have to go back to AliExpress and order that product and have it shipped to the customer. So when it comes to drop shipping, you have to fulfill any order that you get. So that's how you make money using drop shipping. But I'm going to share another strategy that you can use without creating a drop shipping website. And if you stuck around until this point and you got some value from this video so far, then go ahead and do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. So the other strategy that I want to talk about is by using eBay. Now this is a strategy that I would recommend going with if you don't want to deal with running paid advertisements, because you're going to be leveraging the power of eBay. There's millions of people who come to eBay every day to buy something. So you're basically using eBay's platform to get traffic to the items that you post on there. Now, the downside of using eBay is that you're subject to eBay's terms and fees, so that's something to consider. So my tip to you guys, if you're going to use eBay to dropship items, is don't use Chinese wholesale websites. The reason why I recommend this is because people who buy things from eBay, they don't like to wait 2 to 3 weeks to receive the item. People on eBay usually like to get their items within a few days. And if you're using Chinese wholesale websites, it's going to take between 2 to 4 weeks to receive an item because it is coming overseas. So you're probably wondering, well, where do I find items to dropship if I can't use online Chinese wholesale websites? The 3 most commonly used websites used to dropship items on eBay are going to be Amazon, Walmart, and Home Depot. Now this is basically every dropshipper's go-to source when it comes to finding items to post. So the benefit of using these websites is that they're relatively cheap, especially if you're finding items to list on Amazon. But the downside is that there's a lot of competition. So people are just drop shipping items from these websites for only a couple extra dollars. So there's a lot of competition if you're going to be using this method. So let's say, for example, we picked this barbecue from Amazon and it's priced at $34.99. Then we can post it on eBay for, let's say, $59.99. When somebody buys this barbecue from our listing on eBay, we then come to Amazon and buy this barbecue grill, and we don't have it shipped to us, we have it shipped directly to the customer. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you are going to use eBay, you are subject to their fees. So they do charge you a fee every time that you sell an item on eBay's platform. So whatever you mark up the price on the item that you listed, and then you subtract the fees that eBay charges you, that's going to be your profit. So that's basically how you can use dropshipping to make money online. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you learned something new, then let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to learn other methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to our channel. So that's pretty much it for this video.